Hey everybody, welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I will be just showing you all a video of how I had my kids set up for state board. The way I have my kids set up is not a requirement, it's just the way that I was trained and taught to do it, and I've kind of tweaked it a little bit, but this is what worked better for me, and I hope it helps you all. Again, as I always state on my verbal videos, this is not your certification. This is just a general guide to state board. Please feel free to follow the teachers of your instructors. I also want to say, y'all, I know I talk fast. I'm sorry. That's just the way I talk. I try my best to make sure I put subtitles on the screen. That way you can all, hear me clearly and understand what I'm saying. So just bear with me. I'm trying to get it together for y'all, but this is just how I talk. So without further ado, I'm going to get right into the video. So the first thing that I have in my kit will be my bags, which is my trash bag, to be disinfected bag, and my soiled linen bag, and they all have labels on the side for the proctors to read during my exam. After that, I would have went in and got my mask, mask and goggles, and then I would have came in and got my gloves, hand sanitizer, and my wipes. The next thing I would have came in and got would have been my first aid kit, my paper towels, my extra supplies. Then I would have came in my kit a final time during this section of the exam, and I would have gotten my first mannequin hand and my client one bag. So all of these items that I just pulled out is what would be out on my work area preparation, client preparation, and setup of supplies, which is the very first section of your exam. Nothing will be left in your kit besides what you see here, which is your mannequin 2-hand and your client 2 bag. And this is what you'll use later on throughout your exam. If you all have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you have anything y'all think would help my channel, please leave it in the comments below. I'll try to leave certain links in my description box of other videos that I have, which will show you what all I have in each of these bags. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos.